I'm sitting here at the top of a Tasmanian tree. Currently it's protected, and that makes sense because it's been here for 3,000 years. You'd ensure a painting of a tree if it were a tenth as old. Unfortunately, Tony Abbott believes that inside every tree is a table waiting to get out, and that there is too much locked up forest, and so wants to delist this as a World Heritage Site and open it up to loggers. Shit! Ah, beautiful. So good to see all those locked-up trees now running free as paper. The move to delist the forest will surely be met by strong opposition by environmentalists. Isn't that right, you whinging greenie?
Oh, absolutely. We want to maintain the current boundaries.
Indeed. However, the government's move ought to prove popular with loggers.
No, we agree with the strange-smelling tree man.
Right, that, OK, wasn't quite the debate I was hoping for. Which means if loggers and environmentalists don't want this, apparently the only person who does want it is this guy.
Because if someone comes to us and said we'd like to build a 40-foot yacht, I couldn't say to them with any guarantee that we could get the timber. Poor yachtless peasants. We've heard that argument before. Yeah, these elephant conservation laws mean that if someone comes to me and says, I want you to build me an ivory hat stand, I'm not sure I could get the tusks. It's all locked up in those damn elephants. Actually, we haven't heard that argument before. It's ridiculous. But if you're concerned all this deforestation means less forest, worry not, because the Coalition intend to put in place a $2.55 billion fund that will prioritise cost-effective, targeted means to reduce emissions, such as afforestation. Now, I'm no whiz at tree maths, but I'm pretty sure deforestation plus afforestation equals why the hell bother? Unless, of course, this sapling can absorb as much carbon as a 100-metre tall giant with 3,000 years' experience. Well, good luck, little guy. The environment and 7 billion people are depending on you. For The Roast, I'm Twemlow. Shit!